In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove order on Ikea. If you've added something to your Ikea cart and changed your mind, removing it is quick and straightforward. We'll do this right on Ikea's website so you can clean up your cart before you check out. Start by opening your browser and going to ikea.com. If you're prompted to choose a country or region, select the place where you usually shop. That ensures you see the correct prices, availability, and delivery options. Next, log into your account. Use the sign-in option to access your saved cart. Being signed in is important because it keeps your cart consistent across your phone, tablet, and computer, so the changes you make here will stick. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see the shopping bag or cart icon, often with a small number, showing how many items are inside. Click that icon to open your cart. You're now on your cart page, where all the items you've added are listed together. Take a moment to review the products and quantities. This quick check helps you confirm exactly what you want to remove and what you still need. Find the item you no longer want. Each product line has its own controls. Look for a remove option next to that product. Depending on the page layout, it might appear as a small link, a trash can icon, or an X near the item. Click remove. If a confirmation message appears, confirm your choice. The page will refresh, the item will disappear from the list, and your cart total will update immediately. If you clicked remove by accident, you can always add the item again from its product page. A quick note for clarity, this process only removes items from your cart. It doesn't cancel an order you've already placed. If you've already checked out, you'll need to use Ikea's order change or cancellation options separately. On mobile, the steps are the same. Log in, tap the cart icon at the top, locate the product you want to delete, and tap remove. If you don't see the cart right away, it may be tucked into the menu at the top right. After you remove an item, double-check the subtotal and any delivery thresholds, since removing products can affect shipping eligibility. If your cart becomes empty, Ikea may show an empty cart page with suggestions to keep shopping. And that's it. Go to ikea.com, log in, open your cart, select the item you don't want, and click remove. Simple, fast, and a great way to keep your checkout experience smooth and accurate.